Back to nature. Back to nature. This koala's really having a little sniff, isn't he? Little kissy kissy. Uh-oh. Oh, not nice. Oh, the koala love. Oh, little kissy kissies. So doing a little indie pack camping. I'm on the got a backpack. I'm gonna load that full of vegan pizzas, and I'm gonna get a little camping spot tonight. Test out some equipment, and hopefully film some trapdoor spiders for all you people who love spiders. I'm just gonna show you what the risks are camping out in indie pack. What sort of animals, critters, friends you can encounter when you're camping out in indie pack. And durianrider's bike of choice tonight is the old TCR. With the bike packing bags in the back. Little light weights on there. Reflective lights on almost. So I've got my little pizzas. This garlic bread is also vegan in Australia. The Domino's garlic bread. This is what your pizzas look like. I'm gonna put in that backpack. Look at that. Beautiful. $5 each. $5 each. And we'll stuff the garlic bread down here. Keep me warm. Keep the chest warm. Oh, the pecs. Oh. Whenever you're riding and eating, always pay attention to the road in front of you. But you definitely save a lot of time if you can eat while you ride. Save a lot of time. This is a great shop, my friend's shop, Clinton. Organically grown. It's one of the best shops in Australia, I reckon. If not the best organic shop in Australia. 85B St Bernard's Road, McGill. Let's get it on. Let's go up the hill. For all your fruit and veg needs, come and see Clint. Tell him DR sent you. Clint's a legend. Another local Adelaide legend. 85B St Bernard's Road, McGill. Great shop. Great shop. We're riding up the hill now. This is Monacute Road. And it's a beautiful night for it. Beautiful night. Stars about to pop out. The moon's going to come soon. Magic. And it's just a choice at the moment for me just to grab my backpack, chuck on my cycling shoes, mountain bike shoes, jump on my bike, order some vegan pizzas from Domino's Australia, and chuck them in the backpack and go right up the hill and go find anywhere I want to camp. That's what we call freedom, and I'm fucking grateful for that. I'm so grateful to be able to live that lifestyle. And it's just such a simple thing. It's free to camp. Yeah, koala, listen. Hear that? The koala's like, bro, where's my eucalypt leaf pizza slice? Fuck, alright, let's go get this camp and see if we can find some spiders for you guys. And shout out to my mate, Jonathan Gillen. He was the first guy that I ever met who would go camping before work. Like, he would finish the shift as an apprentice chef, go camp up Mount Lofty, take a dump in the bushes or whatever, and then come back to work in the morning for morning shift. Like, he was just the beast. So shout out to Jonathan Gillen, for inspiring, planting that seed in my head that you can go camping anytime you want. Doesn't have to be the weekend. It can be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What day is today? Today it's Tuesday night. Camping Tuesday night. Tuesday night glamping. Just get out there, you know, hang out with people who inspire you to do crazy shit, but it's good shit. They're out there. Like attracts like. Water seeks its own level. So this little dirt road I know of. Some cherry trees on my right. I'm just gonna have a little check, see if there's any cherries. Look at that, we've got cherries. Oh wow. Fucking oath. Beautiful. I'll save those for breakfast. So have a look at this. My bike is, I'm just parked against that. Unless I'm gonna need a drink. Look at this, look at this. Look at that. It's right back. See it? Look at that. Oh, Australia's most deadly spider. Very, very timid though. So there you go. Be careful where you park your bike. Look at that. Just right there. You know, redback will come up here, make a little nest just under your seat. It'll bite you on your lolly bag. If you get bitten on the lolly bag by redback, your nuts will just dissolve. Not sure if you can see it, but you can see that half moon, that little lid, that half lid, that D shape, D for durianrider. That is the lid of the Adelaide trapdoor, and he's inside, she's inside, but right now closed for business. Look at that, see that there? So that's him right there, little trapdoor. My bike is right there. Beautiful, isn't it? Indie pack. Oh, it's a scorpion. Look, look. Scorpion. Oh, wow. Look at that. Scorpion. Oh, wow. Wow, look at his tail. Whoa, jeez. Wow. Scorpion. This one's called a piranha beetle. They will mess you up. If they find any mucous membrane in your body, they will just chomp straight into it. And they'll lay eggs in there as well, and they'll hatch about a week later. So maybe you'll contract them at Mundrabilla Roadhouse. They won't hatch until you hit Robe or Portland, Warrnambool, and you'll be hating life. That's a piranha beetle. And oh, look at that. Centipede. Oh my god. That'll fucking rip you up. Oh man. Oh, he's hungry. He's looking for something to bite into. Oh, and again, the bike's just there. The bike's just there. Wow, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Wow. Just waiting for a bike packer. This is a wolf spider. Wow. Look at that. Wow. And this is the wolf spider. Oish. Jeez. Oh. Oh. So I've got a little camping spot. I can't remember where I put my bike. Bike's somewhere here. There's a lot of spiders around here, snakes. Where's the bike? Can't open my bike. Totally lost. Fuck. Walking through this jungle. Where the fuck's my bike gone? The spiders have fucking taken my TCR. Come back, bring it back, you little bastards. Oh, there it is. There it is. I'm gonna set up camp. Hopefully I don't get bitten by too many bugs tonight. I'll eat some pizza. Alright, you just know there's something gonna grow in my shoes overnight. I might as well just, there's gonna be scorpions, redbacks, trapdoors, maybe a baby brown snake in those shoes in the morning. Got some lemonade, we're gonna have some pizza here, get some sleep. Oh my god, that's still perfect. It's a little bit warm as well. Alright, got a little tent, got a little swag here. This is the SOL. I've also got a sleeping bag here, synthetic OMM. And this is the Mountain Raid 1.6. So we'll test these out tonight and see how we go. And bon appetit, bon appetit. So slept in Jersey. Who else tests their jerseys? Who else wears their jersey to bed? That's why I thought we'd do the testing. Listen to the birds. So many little chirpies. but the bivvy bag did good. Bivvy bag did good. I mean, with my bike, there's the baby. That's who I slept with last night, and oh, it's beautiful. Like when you're camping out, you get up at sunrise so easily. It's just like boom, lights on, and the birds, little morning chorus. It's good. I was gonna lay here for a while though, and then go get some cherries. Good. I mean, obviously in a new pack, as soon as you have that sensation for morning urination, that's basically alarm clock. Get up, get going, get back on the road, get back to work, get back to the race. But it's nice just to lay here and enjoy the bird chorus. And that's the camp. That is the camp. I'm not sure how many spiders are in there, but we'll soon find out. A little bit of lemonade. I've got a gel. We'll go get some cherries. And there we go. Beautiful, beautiful morning for it. Just on this little fire road. Walk down there. Whenever you camp, make sure you camp where the cars can run you over. Just a nice little private spot. Beautiful. Just went for a bit of a walk, a bit further up the hill. This is really nice here. This is South Australian typical bushland. Sun's up. Time to start the day. Durianrider's just a tree-hugging vegan hippie. And proud, bro. And proud. Okay, so we're back. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give it a good shake. There's no spiders in there. And then I'm just going to stuff it straight in there. And I'll put this in first, because this will be the last thing I'll take out today. Just like that. Just like that. You don't touch it once, just put it in there. Put it in there first, because it can come out last tonight. Bingo. And always leave the campsite as you found it. This is a little road I came in on last night. Beautiful little place here. Beautiful little valley. Not many people have done this one. Dog. Oh, nice. Let's give him a little hug. Oh, isn't that nice? Here we go. Look at these cherries. This is like a really, really rare type. Beautiful. There's so many on here, and there's a lot of tree ripened ones as well. So I'm gonna sit here and eat some cherries for the next 20 minutes. Beautiful. Adelaide. Fucking awesome. Lipsy, lipsy. Batsy, batsy, batsy. Little donkey love. Big ass banana smoothie. Big ass banana smoothie for lunch. Sugar, bananas. Those claws. We're fucking rip my fucking teeth out. Hey, Harley. Let's get some selfies with the koala. Yeah. He's a pretty relaxed little thing. What are you up to?